If screen mirroring isn't working on your iPhone, here are a few things to check to get it working again. Start by restarting your iPhone and the device you're trying to mirror to, like your smart TV or Mac. A quick reboot often fixes the issue. Next, check Wi-Fi connection. Make sure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Screen mirroring only works when your iPhone and the receiving device are on the same network. After that, try turning off Bluetooth. Some users report that this helps reset the connection. Next, update your device, and for that, go to your Settings app, then scroll down and tap on General. After that, go into Software Update and make sure your iPhone is up to date, and also check for firmware updates on your TV or streaming device. Next, make sure screen mirroring is supported. Not all TVs or streaming devices support AirPlay. Look for AirPlay or screen mirroring options in the device settings or documentation. If it's still not working, try resetting network settings, and for that, go back to the General Settings menu and scroll all the way down, then tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap on Reset and choose Reset Network Settings from the options. And once you've tried these steps, go back to the control center, then tap screen mirroring and select your device. You should be up and running. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.